Today we are going to be looking at percentage increase and decrease. We are going to be looking at finding, first of all, what the percentage increase or decrease is going to be, what the amount is going to be. We're going to be finding what the actual percentage increase or decrease was, and we're going to be finding what the original amount was given what the new amount is. So each question has got all three different types. So this is something that you're going to be doing once you have done percentages. It's like a revision of all of them. Question 1a. The question states that a Maud fondue is £8,400 and will increase by 6%. So in other words, we are trying to find the new amount. So we're going to start just with our 8,400 and we're going to multiply that by the full 100% plus the extra 6%. Okay, so it'll be 8,400 times 1.06, and when I put that into my calculator, let's just cancel all of that. We're going to have 8,400 and we're going to multiply that by 1.06 and we get, I should maybe have looked at that before I started writing on here. $8,904. Okay, so B, the Fiat Punto rises from 9,400 to 10,622. What is the percentage increase of this car? Now, when you're trying to find what the percentage increase or decrease is, you always need to find out how much it's increased or decreased and write that over the original amount and then times by 100. Let's do that in steps. First of all, how much has it increased or decreased? So I am going to say, well, it's going to be 10,062. So I'm going to put 10,622 and I'm going to subtract 9,400 and I get 1,222. 1,222. So that's how much it's increased, and that is over the original amount. Now it rises from 9,400, so that is my original amount. So it's my increase. Oh my gosh, increase over original. And I am going to multiply that by 100 to make it a percentage. So those two can cancel. So it'll be 1,222 divided by 94. So I can just keep my answer that's in there and divide it by 94. And I get 13. So that's actually as a percentage already. So that is my final answer for that one. C, the Prism Nemera will rise 8% to $17,766. What was the original price of the car? So if it will rise 8%, in other words, I don't know what the original is. It's going to increase or rise by 8%. In other words, I would have multiplied the original by 1 full plus the extra 8%. Don't forget it's not 0.8 because that would be 80. And my answer will be 17766. Okay. Now, opposite of multiplying by 1.08 is dividing by 1.08. So I have to divide both sides by 1.08, and I'm just going to get out my trusty steed, and it is 17766 divided by 1.08, and that means my original price is equal to, and I should actually have looked that up, 16450. 16450. If you put dollars, it's not really a problem, but it is in pounds in the original question because it's an English workbook. Okay, so there are the rest of the questions. It is on the OLE and it does have the answers further down. Good luck. Ask me any questions if you need to.